What's good, YouTube? It's your girl Michelle here, and I'm back at it with another video. So you already know what I'm about to say. If this is your first time ever being on my channel, make sure you smash that subscribe button, and if not, then welcome back, fam. Welcome to another video. I'm so happy you're here to join us. So this video is going to be on this hair color. I know y'all see it. It's that summertime fine day. So I'm happy to give this video and get this out to y'all. So yeah, so this hair color is pretty much something I just decided to do. I was getting tired of having black hair. I'm not really a fan of black hair, but I don't know why I had it, but I'm not a fan of it. So I decided I want to color my hair. So I decided one day just to mess around with some 20 volume developer, and I was like, let's just see how it goes. If it turns out good, then I'll make a video. If not, then the video ain't gonna be posted, obviously. So what? I'm here with the video. So obviously I liked how it turned out. So I decided to do this before I was going on my trip for Houston. I just wanted something different. This is the Synosure hair. So if you guys want to see my video on that, definitely check it out. Like I said in that video, the frontal is not from Synosure. It's from a different company. But if you want to know more about how I made this wig, then check out that video up here. I'll have it linked. So definitely check that out. But anyways, yeah, I messed around with the color, and this is what we ended up with. So we have some light browns, we have some highlights. I really just liked how it turned out, a mixture of the browns. I was like so pleased when I saw how it turned out. So if you guys want to see how I got this gorgeous color, then stay tuned and watch the rest of the video. But that's it for me. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, YouTube. Hey guys, so I'm currently just dyeing my Synosure hair. This is what this side's looking like. I'm deciding to go with a little bit of highlights, just light in the front. I really don't know how it's gonna turn out, but I just started working on it, and I decided I might as well record the process so you guys can see how it turns out. If it turns out nice, then obviously I'm gonna put this video up. If it turns out crap, then y'all probably won't see this, but I decided to record it just so you guys can see. I know this side is looking crazy. It's like, what's going on? But honestly, I decided that I wanted to back comb the hair, so that's why that side looks a little nappy and whatnot. Back combing is a style that people do just to make sure that the hair pretty much has like a gradient flow and it gets dispersed pretty nicely. So I decided to do that for the front of the hair. So I'm just gonna go on and do this other side and record it.